Hi, welcome back, dear viewers. This is the first video in the series of What is Accounting, and the name of this video is Introduction to Accounting. In today's video, we will discuss the question What is accounting? Before we proceed further, let me share something important with you. In every learning process, you will come across three things that is good to know. This encompasses the things which will help you if you know them. But if you don't know them, it's not going to harm you, or anyone would also not mind you not knowing it. The second category is you should know. This is the category of things that, as a student of the topic in question, you are expected to know, but it will not harm you much if you don't know this. But people may find it strange or weird if you don't know things falling in this category. The last but not the least is something you must know. As a learner, we must ensure that we absorb each and every drop of knowledge from this bucket. The reason being, if you don't know the things falling in this bucket, it will not only cost you dearly, but will also make you to eat dust in front of others, which I'm sure none of us would like to do. Am I correct? So, this holds good to this series also. And this video is falling in the category of must to know. So I would request you all to pay your undivided attention and note down your doubts. If you have any, feel free to reach out to us either in the comment section, or you can drop us an email, which we will share with you towards the end of the video. And you can also find that in the description of this video. So let's start. To understand what accounting is, let's have a look of some prevalent and common definitions of accounting. The first definition that we are going to look at was given by AICPA, that is the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants. And they defined accounting as the art of recording, classifying, and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions, and events which are in part, at least, of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. As per this definition, accounting is an art focusing on deriving interpretations of results of the financial transactions which were recorded, classified, and summarized systematically. And all the transactions, events, results, and interpretations are expressed in terms of money. The second definition that we are going to discuss is the process of identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by the users of information. This definition was given by AAA, that is American Accounting Association, in year 1966. The key points to note about this definition are identifying, measuring, and communicating economic information, and helping the users to make informed judgment. As you have come this far with us, so please press the like button and let's continue on our voyage. In year 1970, The APB, that is Accounting Principles Board of AICPA, that is American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, defined accounting as the function of accounting is to provide quantitative information, primarily financial in nature, about economic entities that is intended to be useful in making economic decisions. Before we proceed further, let me ask you a question. Have you noticed something peculiar about the slides that we have just looked at? Yeah, you are correct. Some of the words on the slides we just looked at were written in different colors. Now, the question is why? Let me answer that for you. The words which are in red are the names of institutions, and you must by heart the abbreviations as there is no escape. The second category is of the words written in violet. These are the words which are core or essence of the definition. These are the words which will help us in understanding the accounting or to reach on to an answer to the question what accounting is. Basis the above definitions, we can conclude that accounting is a systematic process of identifying, measuring, recording, classifying, summarizing, and communicating the outcomes of various transactions and events, which are, at least in part, of financial nature, taking place during the life cycle of a business in monetary terms. If we look at this definition closely, then we can say that firstly, accounting is a systematic process which starts with identifying, means picking up the transactions or events or activities that needs to be recorded from the accounting standpoint. The second step is to record, means writing down or entering the details related to identified transactions or events or activities in a data management system. Thirdly, classifying means categorizing the various transactions as expenses, incomes, assets, or liabilities, etc. Then, summarizing means balancing various accounts and preparation of financial statements. And finally, communicating means sharing the outcome of various transactions and events which took place during the life cycle of the business in the accounting period in monetary terms to enable the stakeholders to make informed decisions. We can conclude that accounting is a systematic five-step process focusing on sharing the outcome of activities or events taking place in the business entity with the stakeholders, thereby enabling them to make informed economic decisions. I'm sure you must be having some questions boggling your mind. You can trust me on this. It's not new with you. It happens with all of us when we are in process of learning something new. In today's video, you must have encountered some words for the very first time. Some words you might have heard of before, but not very clear about their meaning, and words for which context is not clear. Whatever the questions you are having right now, we are there to help you out. you have two options. Wait for our upcoming video, in which we will describe and discuss the new terms which you will come across throughout the series. Or go to the description of this video and get yourself registered with us by filling in the subscription form, which is, of course, free of cost, and get instant access to notes explaining the new terms. Moreover, you are more than welcome to post your questions in the comment section or send them to us via email, and we will respond to them as soon as we can. Hope you like this video and will join us for our next video. So before we sign off, please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we upload a new video if you have not subscribed to the channel yet. And of course, please do share it with your friends. Hope to see you all in next section. And as shared earlier, you can reach out to us at connect to letsmaster@gmail.com. Till we meet next, thanks and be safe.